Hi, hello everyone. So this is a tutorial video about how you can log into the platform English Central and what's the process to choose a video and develop all the activities, okay? So you have to just log in, okay, with your username and password, okay? Um, okay, next you have to just set up the password, okay? And you start just surfing in the English platform. Then you have to just, well, you're going to find, okay, inicio de clase, videos de la clase, and cursos de la clase, okay? So if you just click on videos de la clase, you're going to find the videos that were assigned, okay, for your level, and cursos de la clase, you're going to find, okay, the different courses that you have to develop, okay, during the level. Good. So if you get lost, okay, if maybe you go to this page, all right, so you have to go immediately, so where it says my mis classes, so you click in mis classes and you have to choose the level where you are now, in this case Inglés 3 Paralelo 2, all right, according to your level, according to your class, and then you go back to the same web page where you can find videos and you can find the courses, all right? And then you have to just click on the different videos, the different activities, and you have to develop and watch the video or learn words, okay, or speak. This is what you have to do, okay? Thank you.